I'm Cesar Chepa Tulcanon. Actually, I'm actually, I should say, worthy to give this eulogy at a friend here, Andre, who I think is more knowledgeable of Pete because they were childhood neighbors. But since I think Andre is not feeling well tonight, so I'm taking over a little bit. So, nakilala ko si Pete in 1971 when I transferred from LaSalle. I took up the account. My brother transferred to UR to take up industrial engineering. So I also was forced to transfer to UR. And I should say, ang mga UR days to Pete, it was Pete who actually introduced me to politics. No? The first time that I encountered politics in college. He invited me to be his running mate for the sophomores. He was running for governor and he invited me to be the vice governor. Salamat sa Diyos, ang tawag naman kami. Then after that, we formed the party Mass Alliance for Student Action with Joe Medicibilino. God bless his soul, napatayaman ko siya. And they encouraged me to run as vice president for the Commerce Student Council of UR. And as usual, si Pete was one who was also instrumental for me to run as a vice president of the Commerce Student Council. And I was running against somebody who was a professor in the liberal arts, kaya mas dugay sa liberal arts sa Apon. So, ang Apon naman niya, ang Apon strategy, inahin ko. Ang aturing kuan, ang Apon na kontra, doon ka formal sa iya na kampanya. Ako ya, kabalungan ko mo sa mga brother nights ko, kasi kay Julie Boy, at kay Linda, kay Ninya, that I like to play the guitar. So, kinubra pa yan ang Apon ng strategy, naglibot ko sa mga boarding houses in the area of UR, namuliyag kaya sa kampanya ko. So, I changed the strategy. And fortunately, I also won. Unfortunately, kasi ito, pagka pumpo naman sa Student Council, sa Commerce, ito sa time ng martial law. So, naka-meeting kami nila, siguro mga 2 ka-meetings sa mga Student Council. I remember, upod pa ito si Rosana na Sarin. She is very, very dynamic, no? Upod ko siya. And then I remember, Pete, when we were at UR, ang ilang abalay, aral lang sa likod, sa 8 Balada, 10, it's inyo, nakita sa may Rojas. So, every time nga huwag ko magkaunan, sa panyaga ko, mamerienda, panyapon, open din ang balay ni Pete sa aton. Ito dyan, ikagili ko sa norma. And aside from that, ang UR days naman, kanami man kay both Pete and I, Linda, we did not know, we were a member of the cast of the Pot Boiler. It was a comedy skit, it was a comedy theater play na among director si Teke Galiaga. We were the 2 main actors of the Pot Boiler. So exposure ko sa UR was really because of Pete. And I really owe it to you, Pete, na hingga mo sa mga oportunidad na mag-silbinan sa fan sa UR. So, ang masunod ng dumagamang kay Pete na nagkakita na kami sa Manila, eventually when he was still single, Linda, he stayed with us sa Kamyas. That's why palangga ay kinakapon ng bata na babae na si Easy na subong professional naman. Kaya siya niyan daw nani mo lang kay Easy. Sa akin din naman kay Easy kung kaya sa klase, siya kapantay, siya kapakawa kay Easy, kapapaligo. So eventually he was really part of our family as a kid. And then I was surprised na amunod sa Manila ko siya na nagpagkatisin siya sa amon na sa 7 na bata ko. Naging siya sa he is already going to get married. No? Nag-ibot kami ng net, muna ko ulit. At tapos niya mo ito, ano ito pagkagalawa, how we are able to come, kaya dito may conflict ko sa amon, naging nag-attend sa kasal sa Payos. And then when we were in Manila, ako na ang ginatawa kong mga family life, no? Nag-kita ko ni Pete na he's like a family to us. Actually, I owe Pete a lot in that. I thank you and I honor your family tonight, Nino, Alinya and Julie Boy. When we left Manila, nag-close ang back naman ni Pete. When I was in Manila, he was in Bacolod and he was I think aside in Cebu. No? Pagbalik naman ako din sa Bacolod, siya naman sa Manila. Tapos siya sa Universal Storehouse Services Corporation, no? Manang forefront. Universal Storefront. Kaya obra sa si Julie Boy na sa obra. Siya naman doon sa Manila, nabilin. And I really owe it a lot because he was like a foster father to my son, Seth, and to my daughter, Izzy. Eventually, anytime na kinamnan sa bullying sa mga bata ko, ala ipinusipit. He was always ready to help our family. Whether it's emotional, whether it's financial, I should say, he was like a second father to the children. So I can honor you, Pete, for being a second father to my family, to the children. Tapos the proxy father ko. And then, nawala niya isang nag-join up na kami sa Bacolod when I came back here almost 9.5 years ago. He decided to retire from corporate work after 15 years. Because his health was already, you know, the batchat siya. Hindi na kami nagtapo sa Bacolod. And eventually, our children also banded together, no? We were always at the house of Pete. Nagkagdawin siya sa Inda, kaya every time I enter the house, kami ni Andre, diretso na kayo sa kusina. Ano so, ano din, ano kainom din, yung second home naman ng balay ni Pete, no? And I remember also that there were several times na kailangan needs and help Pete, nabatchat na siya. I would also, my wife, who was also sick with cancer, we offered always to pray over him. And he always appreciated it. I know he always appreciated it. Pinapisali itong akong pag-pray over siya. So ako na, pag regarding naman sa entry point sa Nelson Columbus, ako nag-live ako sa Nelson Columbus, but eventually I gave the name of Pete to our council. And despite his failing health, I know that he tried several times awarding Grand Night dito to attend your meetings. Tapos kan lahat ito matsyagya. Kaya already yung asing batsyagya, tapos ang heart niya daw, may batsyag siya, ang kidney niya, may batsyag ito siya. At I know, kung ayaw ko sa kamasakit, yung siguro Grand Night dito, hindi na sa mag-absent sa ngayon. Because I remember when he was still in Manila, I was here, he texted me one morning, and his text said as follows, "Thank God, Julie Boy is now a Knights of Columbus member." Naging-indak kayo mga sa KMC dito sa Immaculate Conception Paris. And he was really very proud of it. Kaya kunin pa rin sila ni Jess Alfred, who is also for sa UR, sila ni Manny Zaragoza. Ang iyato na Brother Knights, ang iyato na Paris na nag-serve siya, I understand it's one of the biggest parishes in the whole of Quezon City, not in Metro Manila, ang Immaculate Conception Parish. So, ako na isang pabalik ulit, in joining his other's company, even I remember, nakibot ko one time, Minda came to the house, when Pete knew that I was running for public office, and without any question, Minda told me, sa pasensya ka na, hindi pakatuloy ko ni Pete para buligan ka. Despite nga, wala mo nagkaog, I represented Pete na gibuligan naman ko. I remember also Pete na he was always on the positive side of life. Grabe ko sa mag-raksak. Kung kapakadawon na naman siya ni Andre, he was already nag-acid influx na siya, but once nga mag-istorya, kaya mag-dinugsig kami sa balaya, ang raksak, pati yun masapiyak na mga kaibol siya. Grabe ito ko sa magkadaw. He was a very jolly person. So if you would ask me, how come Pete has very good children, like Julie Boy and Inya? My answer is because you have very good parents, Julie Boy and Inya. I really appreciate Pete. He was a faithful husband and a good provider sa inyong nagawa. No? So, huwag itong na-appreciate kay Pete. Anyway, I would like to thank you, Minda, especially your family, Julie Boy and Inya, for being a part of our family sharing Pete with us because I know Pete is a blessing. I know he's now in heaven, he's now in the heavenly abode of the Heavenly Father. Kaya ingat mo Iloy, if you don't know it, Brother Nice, and brothers and sisters, si Chay Norma, he was a member of the Divine Mercy group, no? Tapos member mo siya sa Apostles of Prayer, at sa Santo Niño ng grupo. Tapos sa literal ng mga religious organizations. So ako na, salamat mo sa lola ni Ma, o Chay Norma. Kaya ko naman sa case si Chay Norma, katas mako sa kajito siya, sinisituin nga si Dulcimas every day sa katedral. That's why yesterday I invited Father Felix Pasquillo, director of cathedral. I told him, Father, you know, may alak mo ng church goer na white cathedral. Every day, rain or shine, ikasimba sa katedral, ang iyon is ni grabe. Why kita sa ka-absent sa mga simba sa katedral. So once again, in behalf of the Knights of Columbus of Council 5822, we'd like to thank the family of Brother Sir Knight, Josias Pete Castañas. Pete, rest well, and I hope you're happy right now where you are. We love you very much. God bless you.